I just got the Miele Duoflex HX1 cordless stick vacuum, and I am in love with it. It is the best stick vacuum I've ever used, and I love Miele products in general because they last forever. But in this video, I want to talk about installing the wall bracket for this upright vacuum. Now, I installed it in an ugly corner of my house, but somewhere that would be very accessible for me, and it was very easy if you do it correctly the first time. All you want to do is hold the vacuum up to the wall with the bracket on it, draw where you want it to be, and then you'll just install the bracket right onto the wall. It comes with the hardware needed, so it comes with the drywall anchors and the screws. Two warnings though, the drywall anchors are not the most sturdy, so if you want really strong anchors, you will probably want to get some new ones yourself. And the screws require a star drill bit, which is a little frustrating if you don't have a full drill bit set. But once you install those, then you just slide the L bracket down onto it and you're good to go. Unless you make one huge mistake, which I made. I forgot to add the power cord to the L bracket before I installed it. And trying to get that back off the wall felt next to impossible. In the end, I had to rip the entire bracket off of the wall to figure it out. So hopefully I can save you some of that stress. First thing, definitely be sure you add that power cord, and hopefully you don't have to remove this anytime soon. But if you do need to remove it, when you slide the L bracket down onto the wall plate, it'll actually hook at the bottom, and it's just a hard piece of plastic at the bottom. So it doesn't look like it's hooking, but to get it off, you just need to wedge the bottom outwards away from the wall or from the bracket a little bit until you can wedge it up just slightly, and then it will go all the way. Now, I'm not demonstrating this again on my wall just because I had already gone through messing up once and I didn't want to risk messing it up again, but you can separate them. You just really need to wedge it at the bottom and it does slide right off. So my words of advice for that Miele wall bracket is be prepared. Be sure to install the cord correctly and either have a star screw drill bit or get some different screws and potentially some different drywall anchors as well. You'll be really happy in the long run if you install this correctly the first time. I hope this video helped.